That's what's going on, YouTube. Coming out here. Today's pickup Saturday, I guess, if you want to call it that. I'm out here trying to get the Pine Green Jordan 1s. Didn't actually hit on any raffles. Well, I did. There's a little bit of a piss off. I did. When I was signing up for the raffles, I asked the manager at Foot Locker at Fairview Mall what time they were going to be doing the calls for the raffles, because I was working overnight this week. So I wasn't necessarily going to try to wake up, earlier in the day for a call. And she said that it was going to be Thursday or Friday were going to be the calls. So I was like, all right, cool. I'll wait for Wednesday, Thursday. Or sorry, Thursday, Friday. So it turns out I got a call on Wednesday for the raffle, and I was sleeping, so I missed it. And how it works here is that if you miss the call, then you miss your chance to buy the shoes. So now, as you can see, it's 6:46. I don't know if you can see that there. But I'm heading out to Fairview Mall right now to try to get a pair of the Pine Green Jordan 1s. I tried on the Sneakers Canadian app, or on the site anyways, and nothing. I struck out all over there too. So I know Champs and the Nike Store are doing a first come first serve for the shoes. I really want these shoes because I actually don't have any green shoes in my rotation right now. So that's why. Sorry about that. Missed my shift. So yeah, heading out to Fairview, and let's see what's up. So made it here to Fairview, so let's see what happens. Let's see what we can get. Kind of hella awkward walking in a mall that's this empty this early in the morning, but I get the feeling there's gonna be a bit of a line of it for the Champs. So let's see what's up. Keep you guys posted. All right, so I secured the bag. There it is. There it is. Ended up actually getting it from the Nike Store. Luckily, they actually, there was actually quite a few people in line in front of me, but luckily they actually opened the store a little bit early. I think it's what, like 8:30 right now. So I just look back there, the Champs line, they're still waiting. So yeah, I got the bag, secured it early, thankfully. I thought I was gonna have to wait until 9:30, but I don't. So that's kind of nice. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get some sleep because, nobody should be waking up this early on a Saturday. But yeah, I'm gonna head home and then we'll do an unboxing and a feed for you guys, so stay tuned. So today's actually the next day. Didn't actually get a chance to unbox these yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them now. So yeah, let's check them out. As you as well know from the earlier part of the video, it's the Jordan 1 Pine Green. Yeah, I got them from the Nike Store. So I was actually just coming back from Yorkdale. I figured why not just quickly stop off and record this now. They're actually sitting. I know in the Foot Locker at Yorkdale they had sizes 10 plus, as well as they had some pairs in Champs as well as Foot Action. So these are definitely sitting. If you still want a cop, I'm pretty sure they're still kicking around. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. So let's open it in the box here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it together. So, and there you go. Look at that. So, there's already tons of reviews out, but let's go ahead and take a look at these anyways. So here we have the, it's actually got similar color blocking to the Jordan 1 Breads. So you have the black panel here with the green swoosh, and then the green panels up here, and then the green toe box. The leather is actually pretty nice. I'm a little bit surprised. This leather all around here is a matte black, and it's almost like a softer leather, almost like a suede feeling type feel. I'm not a big, I'm not really sure how I feel about that. And then of course you have the green outsole, and then the biggest piece that a lot of people are hating on is this patch right here. Personally, I prefer it being embossed in like most Jordan 1s, but I don't mind this. I mean, it's not that bad, but it's definitely all right. And then here on the medial side, again, you got the green swoosh with the similar color blocking. You have the green outsole. On the inside, it does actually come with an extra set of red laces to go with the patch here, to go with the red Nike swoosh on the pad here. And then you also have a red Nike symbol on the inside, which you probably can't see. But let's go ahead and quickly see how these look on feet. So yeah, I am actually wearing the Pine Greens right now. I'm gonna go out and do a quick on feet for you guys. But yeah, so just some initial impressions with them on feet. They actually feel good. They feel like any regular Jordan 1. They fit true to size, again, like any Jordan 1. For me, that is actually 11.5, but unfortunately a lot of retailers, at least here in Canada, didn't get 11.5. So I ended up going a half size down to 11, which isn't bad because I don't mind actually going a half size down in Jordan 1s because I find they actually crease less. Which is what I kind of like. I don't like my shoes getting all creased up. The other thing also is that I decided to keep the black laces in there. I kind of really wish that they gave green laces with the Pine Green Jordan 1s instead of red. I guess they wanted to match the little red tab on top of the tongue, but I'm not a big fan of that. With the red laces, so that's why I decided to keep the black laces in there. Yeah, you know, they feel good. They feel like any Jordan 1. The leather is real nice. I got no real complaints. I'll also leave a link down below to a video that I did a little while ago when I picked up the men's UNC to Chicago's. I also did a review on what Jordan 1s are like to drive in, especially if you drive a stick shift. So I'll leave a link down below to that video if you wanted to know more about that as well. I'm not going to do it this time around because obviously I've already done it just recently. In case you were wondering, they are an amazing shoe to drive in, however. But yeah, that's basically it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please give it a giant thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you did end up copying these or not. I was just at Yorkdale earlier today, like I was saying earlier, and there are still pairs sitting if you did want to cop a pair and you didn't get a chance yet. And also let me know down below if you have any more you know, shoes that you plan on picking up later this month. I know I'm definitely going to try to pick up the Jordan 3 UNC. Thank you again so much for watching. Please subscribe. I definitely have some more content coming out. My next video is going to be coming out real soon in regards to what car I'm thinking about buying next. I need a family hauler. Right now I'm in my Mazda 3, which is kind of small when you have a child, so I definitely need something bigger. So I actually went to the Toronto International Auto Show, and I was looking at some cars there that I was considering getting next. So keep an eye out for that video. It's coming out real soon. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely wonderful month of March, and one thing you should always remember: pave your own roads, because there's always going to be less traffic.